Good morning everyone, myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to deploy the war file in Tomcat using Jenkins. Okay, earlier we deployed manually, right, the particular war file in Tomcat. Instead of that one, how we can do through Jenkins. Okay, let's see the demo. For that one, I have already one application GitHub repository. That name is web-application. We can configure this one, and we can it will be generate a war file. If you see here inside the pom.xml, it will be generate the war file. We can deploy this war file in Tomcat. Okay, for that one, we have a prerequisites. One is we have to install the Git plugin, and also we have to install the Maven plugin. Okay, and also we have to install the Tomcat plugin, that is deploy to container plugin. And also we have to install the Tomcat, and it should be up and running. If you observe here, the Tomcat is installed, it is up and running. Now what I'm doing here, I'm going to manage Jenkins. Okay, manage plugins. Here I'm going to verify first whether Git is installed or not, Maven is installed or not. Okay, Git. If you observe here, Git is already installed, and also I'm verifying that Maven is also already installed. Might be you will get doubt. Earlier, when you configure Maven project, right, we have installed, right? Fine. Now I'm checking that Tomcat. Tomcat, if you see here, deploy to container plugin is not there. Go to the available session. Here you can type it here, deploy to container plugin. Deploy to container plugin. If you see here, deploy to container plugin, using this one, you can deploy your war file in Tomcat. You can select here, install without restart. Okay. Now it is going to install the particular plugin. It may take a little bit time. Here the plugin is installed. Okay, now I'm going to manage Jenkins. Now we have to define that the Maven configuration inside the global tool configuration plugin option. Come down here. Earlier video we already set up, right, Maven project. The name I have given Maven 3.8.6. I'm choosing install automatically. It will be installed automatically that particular 3.8.6 version. Okay, now we can create the project. The project is, I'm going to create one project. That project name is deploy the war in Tomcat. Okay, I'm creating the project job name is deploy the war file in Tomcat. Okay, select the freestyle job. Okay, first step is we have to configure Git, right? Select this Git, and you can give the Git URL. This is our project. Okay, you can select the code here. We can select the particular HTTPD, copy this one and paste here, and it is public. So we don't require to provide the credentials. In case if it is private, we should be provide the credentials. Remember, for our practice purpose, we are keeping this repository as a public, but in real time, we will be keep it always it is private only. Okay, I have set up the credentials. Now come down here, the branch is master, right? If you observe here, the branch name is master. Now come down here, I'm selecting this one, add timestamp to the console output. It means inside the logs, we can able to view the time when it was run. Okay, then come down here, build session. Here you can select the invoke top level Maven targets. Here you can select the Maven version. Here it is visible in right where we configure inside the global tool configuration. We have given the name, right? That name you can able to view here. Okay, select the particular version. Here goals is nothing but life cycle, build life cycles. Okay, here I'm giving clean install. Okay, you don't want to provide the MVN command. If you provide the MVN command, you will be throw the error. The reason is the MVN is already inbuilt. We don't want to provide that particular MVN again. Okay, clean space and install means if you want to run multiple commands, you can give the space and give that particular command. Okay, now we have defined that Maven. Now coming to that integration of Tomcat, right? This particular Tomcat configuration, it is available in postable session only. Okay, postable action. Click this one. Here you can see. Deploy to container plugin. Yeah, if you see here, deploy var here to the container. Okay, click this one. Here you can give the var or here file path. Here what I'm giving here star.var. What is the meaning of this one? Star means whatever path is available. Okay, in this particular job inside the target directory we have a var file, right? The path entered it will be pick up default, and then star.var means whatever the name of that particular var doesn't matter. I given the star, it will be take. Okay. In case if you have, if you have that var file name, exact var file name, we can provide here. That is also fine. But if you give the star, it is better because sometimes we may change that particular var file name, right? Again, you have to change it here. Instead of that one, if you give star.var, any name that particular extension var, it will be pick up. Okay. Then context path you can ignore, not required. And here container, here add container, here very important. Our Tomcat is 7, right? You can select here. If you see here, Tomcat 7, select this one. Here you have to create the credentials. What is the Tomcat username password? Earlier we set up, right? Tomcat username password is Tomcat. Okay. Now I'm declaring here add Jenkins. Here username is password. I'm giving here Tomcat. Username is Tomcat. Okay. Password also Tomcat. And here I'm giving Tomcat username password. Okay. Add. Now you can able to see here the particular Tomcat related. Okay. Now here you have to provide the Tomcat URL. What is the Tomcat URL? This one, right? You can declare the IP. Okay. Here HTTP, the public IP colon 8080. Remember, in real time, we may not use IP addresses. We may use like this. Example, I can tell. Example, techworldwithmurali.com. Techworldwithmurali.com. This is the one company. Okay. We'll be create like in real time. We'll be create that URL https:// okay, tomcat.techworldwithmurali.com. You can access like this. Instead of giving the public IP or private IP, we can give the fully qualified domain name. Okay, this is the URL. Here we are giving the HTTPS means securely. Currently, our practice purpose, we are not giving any HTTPS, but in real time, it should be in HTTPS only. Okay. Now you can give it here, the URL you have given. Now you can apply, save it. Now you can build now. What will happen? Let's see. Build the particular project. Now if you go check the logs, now if you see here, it is going to build it now. Okay. Now if you see here, when install, it is done. Okay. It is Warpel, it is copied to the particular inside the .m2 directly. Now you come to here, deployment part. Okay. This particular Warpel, it is deploying to the container. I mean to say Tomcat 7. We have configured Tomcat 7, right? We are first time we are deploying, right? That's why it is showing like is not deployed. First time we deployed, right? That's why it is showing earlier we haven't deployed, right? That's why it is showing is not deployed. Now it is deploying the particular var file, whatever generator var file in this particular target var file, it is deployed to the Tomcat. Now build is success. Now what I'm doing here, if you go and verify here, you can refresh this page. Now if you see here, web application is came. Okay. If I click this web application, you will get the output. If you see here, hello world. This is the default application. Okay. I hope understand that how you can deploy. Instead of doing manually deployment, you can do through Jenkins job. Again, I'm going to deploy. What will happen? Let's see. I'm going to do build now. Now if you see here, it is going to run second build. Okay. Now click this one. Earlier it was showing not deployed, it is deployed, right? Now if you deploy again, what will happen? It is showing redeploying. Redeploying means first it will be undeploy that particular var file, then it will be deploy the new version. Okay. Earlier one it will be undeploy. Undeploy means it will be remove that particular deployed one. Then it will be deploy the new version. New var file. Okay. What is it? This is the process of deploying the particular var file in Tomcat. Okay. Using Jenkins. I hope understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in next video.